Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Levc VN5 panel van. The VN5 blends a perfect mixture of classic and modern design, and this specific exemplar comes in the city-eligible trim level with the extension of the asphalt pack. Comes fitted with full LED self-leveling lights and front and rear parking sensors, heated and electrically adjustable mirrors. As part of the asphalt pack, you get the LED amber beacon lights on the roof, rear factory fitted chevron graphics, and the rear parking sensors. The cargo area is fully ply-lined with grey finish and the floor as an anti-slip treatment, and you can also find 6 anchorage points to secure all your cargo. Over the roofline you have LED lighting fixtures. In between the wheel arches you have a width of 111 centimeters, a height at the lowest point of the roof of 130 centimeters, and an extensive fully usable length of 247 centimeters. The cabin is in a 2-seat configuration with the driver's seat adjustable electrically in height and fully adjustable. And you also have 2 storage lockers underneath both the driver and passenger seat with their own lock keys. The dashboard has a 2-tone finish with a top finish in leather and a slate grey lower part. And then you have a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel which can be adjusted both in height and depth. Once you turn on the engine, you can see the self-leveling LED headlights, and it will be completely silent as it is a range extender, so the petrol engine will kick in only when the battery will require it. As part of the city eligible pack, you have fully automatic headlights with automatic high beam and adjustable wipers and electrically adjustable mirrors and electric windows. The amber lighting control has been fitted on the right hand side of the driver. The spokes of the steering wheel house the settings for the cruise control and trip computer and voice commands. The center console is housing of the main infotainment unit, being an automotive OS, which controls both the infotainment and multiple settings of the vehicle, like the parking sensors, the road sign assistance with intelligent speed limiter, the lane departure warning, and the forward collision assist. And from here you can also control the air conditioning and the electric heated windshield and mirrors. Just underneath the infotainment you can find also physical controls for the defrost of the mirrors and windshield, plus quick controls for the infotainment. And then you have the start and stop engine controls, electronic handbrake with auto hold function, and the gear selector for drive, neutral and reverse, which also selects the amount of energy regeneration you want while driving, which will be also reflected on the dashboard. As part of the asphalt pack, you also get ambient lighting with a warm LED over the reading center console. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Levc VN5. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.